Hello, it is Claire here and welcome back to another Take Action Daily video where I share quick tips and ideas that you can be implementing to improve your business, be more productive and that sort of thing. And today I want to share how I type so fast and the reason why I think this is a superpower of mine, especially for productivity. So the other day I was sharing a day in the life video. I have an eye twitch, so sorry if my eye is twitching. I don't know why it is twitching, but I am not winking at you, so sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, the other day I was doing a day in the life video. Actually, very meta. I am in the middle of recording a day in the life video and I'm pre-recording these for next week. So anyway, that's all very sort of meta. But anyway, today I am recording day in the life videos and I've already had quite a few comments about something I posted this morning, which was to do with how fast I touch type and why I think that's one of my superpowers. So I type at about 110 words per minute, which is pretty fast. So if you put that into context, I did a quick Google search and I think that to be a professional typist, you have to type somewhere between 65 and 75 words per minute, apparently, according to Google. And so, yeah, I'm typing at around 100 to 110. So it's pretty fast, but it is probably one of my biggest productivity hacks, I reckon, because I can get through emails super fast. I can write up, copy or email, like other sort of sales stuff or other stuff that I need to write or course documents or whatever it is all so fast for me to type just because of the speed at which I do it. And I reckon when I'm out and about, working in cafes, or when I used to work a lot writing my PhD when I was in hospital, sitting by Hugo's bedside and stuff, so many people would be like that would be the thing that they would ask me about all the time. They'd be like, how do you type that fast? So it's definitely something that I think when you do type very fast that it does stand out to other people. So it's pretty funny. But for me, so I learnt to touch type when I was a teenager, basically. And I've been so grateful to have the skill. And so I want to impart onto you the importance of trying to learn how to touch type yourself, even if you're very slow, and just give you a couple of tips on how you might improve your typing speed. But for me, I think definitely one of the things that helped me was that I was a sort of semi-professional oboe player. I played to a very sort of high standard when I was in my childhood and into my early 20s. And I think just having that sort of technical sort of dexterity, I guess, from playing and practicing 4 hours a day and stuff with my music was probably one of the things that really helped me to then transfer that into typing. So that's probably the first thing that helped me. That bit's probably not going to help you. I think that's probably a bit of an unfair advantage on my part. But one thing that I sometimes do just to keep, actually, I just find it fun. Like, honestly, I'm just a bit nerdy like that. But sometimes if I'm just procrastinating and I want to have a bit of fun, I will go to a website called Fast Fingers, or let me just look it up. I think it's called Fast Fingers, or maybe 10 Fast Fingers it might be. Let's have a look. Yep, 10fastfingers.com. And what you can do is basically a typing test, and you can just practice using sort of like simple words and more advanced words. So like the top 1,000 words in English, or the top 100 words in 200 words in English. So the most commonly used words, and you can just start to practice taking that test, and you will see, because I know that when I have a few weeks of just like playing around on there and just doing tests, and also I'm very competitive, so I'm just like even competitive with myself in terms of getting my speed faster. But if I do that for a little while, I definitely see an improvement in my speed, and I also see an improvement in my accuracy as well, so I don't make as many mistakes. So that's definitely a little tip for if you are keen to get better at your typing, which I would 100% suggest that you do. If you are a bit of a slow typer, I would definitely recommend trying to improve that. It is just like one of the biggest ways that I get through such a high volume of work, I reckon, just being able to type super fast. And it's also just a fun skill to have, basically. So I just wanted to share that today, just because it's a little tip that I use, even though I am already a fast typer. So really I only use it to procrastinate and also just to be competitive with myself. But if you are not a great typer, then it would be a tool that you could use to actually get better at typing. And yeah, see how you go with the tests and all of that sort of thing. So that was all I wanted to share today, but definitely something to have a look into if you don't think that you're a terribly good typist. And I hope that helps and is a good tip. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.